unboxing or secret hunt video. I want to share with you our trip going to Sapporo, Japan. So, we're here in Terminal 1 of Ninoy International Airport. First, we will land in Narita, Japan, then we will transfer going to Sapporo. We safely landed in Narita Airport. We transferred to Terminal 3. We will fly via Jetstar going to Sapporo. They have a very efficient airport, but I suggest when you are traveling going to Sapporo, you must get a longer connecting time, like 2 to 3 hours. Because Terminal 1 is a bit far from Terminal 3 and there's a longer walking time. We landed in New Chaito's airport. Travel time is 1 hour and 15 minutes. We landed 5 p.m. in the afternoon, but because it's winter, it's dark. I got this airport to hotel service via Klook. I also suggest of getting one if you are traveling with kids. Travel time of airport to hotel is around 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on what hotel you will stay. But I got ours in the center of Hokkaido, so it takes 45 minutes. Finally, we are here! I will show you a quick room tour if you are interested to stay here. That's my daughter. She was very tired of this trip. It takes us 12 hours to be here. This is our room. This is better compared to a Japan standard size hotel. We walk around the area to have a dinner. This is our hotel from outside. Day 1 in Sapporo. We just walked around the area. I will upload videos of our stay here, so watch out for it.